Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back in my English class. It's better we pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala before we begin for our lesson today. Raditu billahi robba wa bil islami dinna wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulullah rabbi jidni ilma warjukni fahman. Amin. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, students, I want you to observe and see the following picture. What will you do if you see those people or children? Maybe your answer is offering help, memberikan atau menawarkan pertolongan. And then, what will those people or children do if they see us? Maybe the answer is asking help, meminta pertolongan. So students, what we will learn today? Today, we will discuss about asking and offering help or service, meminta dan menawarkan pertolongan. Okay, students, when you see the picture before, how do you feel about? And then, maybe your answer is similar with me, asking and offering help. Why do you feel like that? Maybe the answer is because we aren't a perfect human being who can handle everything. We cannot live alone in this world, and we are social beings, so we need other and help each other. Karena kita bukan makhluk yang sempurna, yang bisa menghandle apapun. Kita tidak bisa hidup di dunia ini sendiri. Kita makhluk sosial yang membutuhkan yang lain dan menolong satu sama lain. Class, we often hear asking and offering help in bahasa Indonesia. Kita sering mendengarkan, meminta, dan menawarkan pertolongan dalam bentuk bahasa Indonesia. For example, contohnya, tolong saya, bisakah kamu membantu saya? Ada yang bisa saya bantu? But, how to express asking and offering help in English? Bagaimana cara mengungkapkannya dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris? Asking for help, meminta pertolongan. There are some ways, ada beberapa cara, how to express asking and offering help in English. Untuk mengungkapkan, meminta dan menawarkan pertolongan dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris. Let's see. Can't you blah blah blah? Can't you help me? Can I blah blah blah? Can I borrow your English book? Could you blah blah blah? Could you help me? Could you blah 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 for me? Could you open the door for me, please? Would you blah blah blah? Would you turn on the lamp, please? Can I ask you to blah blah blah? Can I ask you to take my mobile phone on the table, please? Do you mind blah blah blah? Do you mind throwing that ball to me, please? Would you mind blah blah blah? Would you mind cleaning the floor, please? Okay, there is two color here, white color and yellow color. Di sini ada dua bentuk warna, warna putih dan warna kuning. What the difference? Apa perbedaannya? Can't you? Would you? Could you? You, can, I, blah 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 are followed by verb want or be. Jadi, can you, would you, could you, can I, blah 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 itu diikuti oleh kata kerja bentuk pertama atau be. Nah, for example, can't you? Can't you help? Help verb one. Help ini adalah bentuk kata kerja pertama. Can I borrow your English book? Can I borrow verb one? bentuk kata kerja bentuk pertama. Could you help me? Could you followed by verb one. Kata kerja bentuk pertama. Could you open the door for me? Could you open bentuk kata kerja pertama, verb one. Would you turn on the lamp please? Would you turn on verb one. Kata kerja bentuk pertama. Can I ask you to take my mobile phone on the table please? Can I ask you to take verb one. Kata kerja bentuk pertama. Okay. How about do you mind and would you mind? Let's see. Do you mind or would you mind are followed by verb ing. Jadi, do you mind and would you mind followed verb ing. Do you mind throwing? Throwing is verb ing. And would you mind cleaning? Cleaning verb ing. Do you mind means do you mind or would you mind? Maknanya adalah do you mind apakah Anda keberatan? Apakah Anda keberatan? Would you mind? Do you mind? And now, how to respond asking for help? Dan sekarang, bagaimana cara merespon ungkapan meminta pertolongan? Accepting, menerima pertolongan. Okay, certainly, of course, sure, yes please, no problems, not at all, of course not, I don't mind. This response look like negative or refusing, but this response is accepting response. Ini nampak seolah-olah bentuk negatif atau menolak menerima pertolongan. Tapi ini adalah respon menerima pertolongan, accepting response. And then, how to refusing response? Bagaimana menolak pertolongan atau bantuan? I'm sorry I can't. Yes, I'm really sorry. No, I can't. Yeah, how to apply in the example. Look at the example below. Accepting response. Could you open the door, please? Okay, thank you very much. You can answer certainly. Could you open the door, please? Certainly. Could you open the door, please? Of course. Could you open the door, please? Sure. Could you open the door, please? Yes, please. Could you open the door, please? No problem. Could you open the door, please? Not at all. This is not at all. Of course not. I don't mind. Maybe this is cannot answer for this form. Could you open the door? Tidak bisa digunakan untuk respon untuk could you open the door. Look at for this example. Would you mind kicking that ball? Of course not. Not at all. I don't mind. Thank you very much. Nah, ini respon untuk would you mind kicking that ball ini menggunakan bentuk negatif. Karena makna dari would you mind kicking that ball maknanya adalah apakah Anda keberatan? Maka kalau ungkapannya menerima, this is accepting, so the response must be in a negative form, dalam bentuk negatif. Apakah Anda keberatan menendang bola tersebut? Tentu tidak. I don't mind. Saya tidak keberatan. Maka ini maknanya menerima. Okay, how about for refusing response? Could you open the door, please? I'm sorry I can't. Maaf, saya tidak bisa. Apakah Anda mau membukakan pintu, I'm sorry I can't. Maaf, saya tidak bisa. Okay, how about this one? Would you mind kicking that ball to me? Of course, I cannot kick the ball to you. Apakah Anda keberatan menendang bola tersebut pada saya? Tentu, saya tidak bisa menendang bola tersebut pada Anda. Nah, okay, for this one, I'm so sorry. Must put T here. I can't. Okay, I'm so sorry. This is the example. I'm sorry I can't. And now, how to respond asking for help. Dan sekarang, bagaimana cara merespon meminta pertolongan? Accepting, menerima. Okay, certainly, of course, sure, yes please, no problem, not at all, of course not, I don't mind. This response is look like a negative or refusing. Respon ini nampak seolah-olah negatif atau menolak. This response is accepting response. Respon ini bisa digunakan untuk merespon ungkapan menerima pertolongan. Okay, next. Refusing response. I'm sorry I can't. Yes, I'm really sorry. No, I can't. Nah, ini adalah ungkapan menolak pertolongan. It's better if you want to refuse asking for help, you say, I'm sorry first. Or maybe you say, sorry. Many more, banyak lagi. For example, I'm really sorry. I'm terribly sorry. And so on and so on. Nah, banyak sekali. Sebelum misalkan menolak, itu lebih baik. Is it more polite? Lebih sopan. Mengungkapkan ungkapannya ditambah dengan ungkapan sorry. Permohonan maaf. Okay, let's see the example. Kita lihat contoh berikut. Accepting response. Menerima pertolongan. Could you open the door, please? Okay, thank you very much. Or maybe could you open the door, please? Certainly. Of course. Sure. Yes, please. No problem. Thank you very much. But if you say, could you open the door, please? Not at all. Of course not. I don't mind. Bisakah Anda membuka pintu ini? Kalau kamu mengungkapkan menggunakan not at all, of course not, I don't mind, ini ungkapan yang kurang tepat untuk menerima pertolongan. Look at the other example. Coba lihat contoh berikutnya. Would you mind kicking that ball? Of course not. Not at all. I don't mind. Thank you very much. Nah, ini tepatnya. Not at all. Of course not. I don't mind digunakan untuk mengungkapkan ungkapan would you mind kicking that ball? Or would you mind? Or do you mind? Bla bla bla. Apakah Anda keberatan menendang bola tersebut? Because there is the word minds yang bermakna keberatan, maka jawabannya negatif. Apakah Anda keberatan? Of course not. Tentu tidak. Thank you very much. I don't mind. Saya tidak keberatan. So, this response is accepting, menerima. Okay, for the next example, how to review response. Could you open the door, please? I'm sorry, I can't. Oh, ini sorry, must be put the letter T. Harus ditambah dengan huruf T di sini. Okay, I'm sorry I can't. Okay. And then, would you mind kicking that ball to me? Apakah Anda keberatan mendang bola tersebut ke saya? Of course, tentu. Nah, if your response is refusing, or would you mind, apakah Anda keberatan? Maka the response must be positive. Form harus dalam bentuk positif. Of course, I can't kick that ball to you. Saya tidak bisa menendang bola tersebut kepada Anda.